everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually really exciting. Well, I find it really exciting, but I thought I would film a pack with me. I'm actually going away in 2 days for 3 nights, 4 days, and just in the UK I'm going to Bath and London. So I thought I would take you along, so I hope to film, and I thought I would do a pack with me. Now, I don't know what to take. I don't even know what bag to take. Do I take my backpacking bag? Do I take my little red hodl? Or do I take a little suitcase? What do I take? I'm thinking of taking this suitcase. Let's do that. Let's do the suitcase. I think we're gonna pack the suitcase. It's quite a small suitcase. I think it's just a cabin size. It's quite small. It looks massive, but I think it's actually quite small. But yeah, I need to actually have a look at my wardrobe and just figure out what I'm gonna pack. There's some things that I will leave till last minute, like toiletries and chargers, etc. But I thought we could pack it, and I use packing keys and everything, so I thought it would be fun for you to watch. Also, please ignore the way I look. I didn't plan on filming today, and I just finished work, and I thought, why not? Why not? So yeah, this is what we're gonna take, and let's pack the bag. So I don't think this suitcase is actually that big, but I'm sure we're gonna fill it. So I'm actually going to Bath for Monday night and Tuesday night, and then I'm in London for Wednesday night. So actually only 3 nights away, but I'm busy for 5 days, so I do need 5 days worth, so that's quite a lot. So I think I'm gonna take my case. So I'm gonna just grab some things out of my wardrobe and just throw them on my bed. I apologise for my messy room. I have just been sorting things out, and I've just been pulling things out to pack. So yeah, I've not gone anywhere since coming back from traveling, so I'm like, oh, what do I do? I'm back to reality now and I'm all out of sync. So we are gonna pack. Let's go. Okay, I think I've got all of my clothes. I've got the biggest pile on my bed. I'm gonna show you. Look at this mess. Okay, I now need to fold this. I thought it would be a good idea just to throw it all on my bed, but I don't think that was a good idea. Never just throw it all on your bed, because now I don't know what I've got. So I've got this cute little top that I actually got in Australia, and I love it. It's so cute. So I've got one top. I'm thinking a long sleeve just in case. Maybe my shirt. So this shirt looks really cute with this little sweater vest, which you can't see. I don't know what I've done to my settings on my camera. I look really washed out, and I don't know why. Might be the lighting. So we've got jeans over here, jumper, top, 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 the dress. Oh, I need tights, trousers, jeans, pajamas, spare top, and my jumper. Oh, and a t-shirt. I've definitely got enough clothes. Okay, I need some tights. Tights is a must. Also, do you like my slippers? I love them. My ears fell down. I'll put those back on. My mini ears. Alright. So, okay, give up. The ears have fallen. Alright, so I've got some tights. Okay, I think I've got everything now. So I'm gonna pack my jeans because I can wear any of my t-shirts with the jeans. So worst case, if I've got 4 t-shirts and jeans, that's 4 outfits. So perfect. These are just my jeans that I got from New Look. These are cute. We've got jeans. Okay, we've also got another pair of jeans. These are my black jeans from H&M, which are kind of faded. They're kind of a grey now. But I plan on wearing these with my white shirt and my sweater vest. And then I'm going to pack these. These are like comfy trousers. I wore these a lot when I was in Australia. I actually got these at Bondi Beach. And they're elasticated and they're just really comfy, but they're cropped. So sometimes they look a bit funny, but if I wear my Converses they look okay because they're quite short for me. I've got very long legs. I've got this plain white Jack Wills one, which I usually wear with my stripy trousers. A long sleeve top with just like a little frill from New Look. I've got the same one but in green. This is from New Look, just a long sleeve. And then I'm going to pack this one, which is from Primark. This is just a little, what are they called? Bodysuits. Just one of these. Because again, if I don't want to wear the dress or my other jeans or the trousers, I can just wear my blue jeans with all of these tops. That's what I'm thinking. And then I've also got this top, which is a crop top, which is actually really cute, from Hollister. So I'm going to pack this as well. I actually got this the last time I was in Bath, which is really cool because I'm going back to Bath. And then also this top. So I've actually got like 7 tops. About 7 tops or 7 outfits, so that's great. And this little one, which I absolutely love. I'm honestly obsessed with this top, which is also from Bondi. And then, is that the only tops? Yes. And then I'm going to pack this dress. It's really cute, but I'm going to wear a t-shirt under it. So it's a bit like this. Black tights and then my Converse. I think that'll be okay. If not, I'll wear it without the tights. But this is a cute outfit. And my sweater vest. And then pajamas. I'm just going to pack this shawl and vest set. I only need one pair of pajamas, I think. This cardigan, just in case it gets cold. And I'm going to pack this, which is really old, but it's from Primark. I really like it. So yeah, I think this is all going to fit. I'm going to show you. So this is pretty much everything that I'm taking. However, I've not packed it very well, but it does all fit, so it will fit fine. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some packing cubes like this one, and I'm going to pack my underwear and socks. But it's good to know that it's all going to fit. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I'm taking. I will also take Alex's present because it's his birthday, and I will probably pack my charger, my camera stuff, and a couple of toiletries. That's probably it. I don't think I'm going to take anything else. I don't think I really need anything else. It's just a short trip and I can get things there that I'll need. So I'll just take my toothbrush, toothpaste. I might actually take my hair curler. Well, it's like one of these that you put in your hair and then it curls by itself. So I'm going to take that. And then yeah, I'm probably just going to pack some random other things as well that I might need. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spend 5 minutes and just pop my clothes into some packing cubes, and then I'll show you what I've done and how it's in my case. I'm trying not to drag this out too long, but I also don't want to rush it. But yeah, I like to show you what I'm taking. So yeah, let's get all of this in packing cubes. I have got so many packing cubes, but let's put it inside. Okay, change of plan. I'm probably going to cut the camera because this is taking me way longer to pack than I thought. So, I originally had done this with my clothes. However, I think it's going to be better to put them all in this big one that I took travelling. And put them all in here instead. And then take out these. So, I'm going to do that and then I'm going to come back and show you how I've packed it. But I won't be adding anything extra in terms of my clothes. I'll just pack my underwear and then I'll show you how I've packed it. But yeah, let's see. Hopefully I can do it. I don't know why. I feel like I'm taking too many things for a 3-day trip. But we'll see. Whoa. Why am I blue? Okay. I don't know what is up with the lighting. I guess it's because it's like getting dark outside and it's kind of blue. I look kind of blue, but I'm not blue. I have just spent about 20 minutes trying to pack my suitcase. Let's pop you down. I've just spent about 20 minutes trying to pack this and I think I've done it. I'm going to show you. Okay, so I just finished packing my suitcase and it's actually full. So I've packed for about 5 days because I am away for 5 days. However, I'm only away for 4 days. So I've packed for 5. So I've actually put all of my clothes in this bit folded. T-shirts, jumpers, dress and jeans are in here. I was going to use packing cubes, but for some reason it didn't pack very well and I gave up. So I do usually use packing cubes, but however I don't normally pack with this suitcase and I didn't think I needed it in the end. So the other section is in packing cubes. This one has got my tights, underwear, pajamas, and then this here is where I'm going to have all my toiletries. I've already packed some things, and then under there is my makeup. But that is pretty much everything I'm taking. I'll show you it a little bit better. So this is all of my toiletries, my charger, and then I'll put my toothbrush, toothpaste in there. I've then got my makeup, and then I've got underwear, pajamas, socks, tights there. This will then close, and then here I've got all my clothes. So I've got my tops, dresses, 2 jumpers, 3 pairs of trousers, and that is pretty much it, all done. So yeah, I think that actually took me longer than packing for Australia. This honestly took me ages because I never pack with a suitcase, but I've done it. So that's everything I'm taking away with me, and then I also need to take with me Alex's present, which I might keep in a separate bag. And yeah, this is everything that I'm taking. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this somewhat fun. I always like watching these just to see what people pack. I think I've got everything. I think I just need pajamas and clothes and underwear. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and toiletries. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I am going to be vlogging. I will try my very best. I might do a 3-day vlog. I might vlog singly. I'm not entirely sure. It depends what I get up to and if I feel comfortable filming. But yeah, I'm excited to get the camera out again. I'm really, really excited. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be traveling to Bath. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.